Right now, majority of the beginner developer have this confusion that at this moment we have multiple blockchain. But as a complete beginner, as a complete newbie, we are interested in smart contract development, smart contract auditing, which blockchain network we have to pick, which is a beginner friendly and which is a industry relevant friendly, so we can start getting job and internship after completing the course and learning about the specific blockchain. So that's again a really very valid question you guys should ask yourself before you start taking any course and learning about any particular blockchain. So in this video I'll share close to 40 plus blockchain network which you can consider, because all of this blockchain has similarity, but there is a difference in the architecture, the way it's functions. Some blockchains are fast in transactions, some are slow. So generally we have four different type of blockchain. We have blockchain layer 1, blockchain layer 2, we have sidechain, and we have data available blockchain and test network. So these are the couple of types of a blockchain we have. So if you focus in one particular blockchain, you can easily able to understand all of this, but there is a difference, so you have to know the difference. So in this video, let's explore all the blockchain. I will not go in detail about each one of this blockchain. If you guys really want me to make a detailed video on a specific blockchain, do let me know in the comment section. Give me the name so I can definitely make that. So the very first blockchain network we have in the list is Ethereum, and as you all know that Ethereum is a blockchain layer 1 solution. So the problem we have in the Ethereum is that the transaction you will do in this particular chain, it's not that fast, so you can't able to build a scalable application. But Ethereum is very popular after Bitcoin. Ethereum is one of the popular network and it has most of the contract, and the price of the ether is really very high, and that's create the problem when you want to scale your application and target mass user. So we have Ethereum. After Ethereum we have Polygon, and Polygon is a Ethereum scaling platform. So like it will behave exactly the same, but the only thing you will find here is that it's allow you to scale your application. The number of transaction you will do on Polygon, it's really fast, and the MATI is not that high cost, so you can easily able to target the mass users. And basically Polygon is a side chain, so that's what you can know for a time being. After Polygon we have Polygon ZK EVM. Again, it's a zero knowledge scaling solution. It's behave like exactly EVM, but it has more power. So if you guys want me to make a video, because it's one is the vast topic that how EVM exactly, ZK EVM exactly work and what are the things we can consider out of it. And again, this ZK EVM is a layer 2 blockchain solution. So these are the top 3 we have. After that we have Solana, and Solana is a blockchain layer 1 solution which you can use to build your scalable application. After that we have this Optimism. It's a blockchain layer 2 solution. You can able to build a scalable application because it's follow the low code and low cost strategy. Then we have this Arbitrum. Again, it's a layer 2 blockchain which you can consider for deployment and building your DApp on it. After that we have this Scartnet. Again, it's also a blockchain layer 2 which allow you to build a scalable application. After that we have Astra, which is a blockchain layer 1, and it's not that quite popular, but it's trying to working and diversify its project, so you can easily able to work on the multi-chain, Astra, Portra, so a lot of things you can able to find. After that we have this Cornus. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly, and it's again a layer 1 solution which allow you to build your application, and it's EVM compatible and SDK compatible as well, but the scalability issue we have in this particular network. After that we have this Celestia. I hope I'm pronouncing this CLESTI, Celestia, and it's a data available blockchain, so you can easily able to upload the data and you can simply interact with that. So that's the one we have. After that we have this Mumbai testnet. So it's built by the Polygon, so if you want to deploy a contract and test, you can do that on the Mumbai test network. Again, it's provided by the Polygon chain, you can consider that. After that we have this Optimism Gorilla. So again, it's a followed the Optimum chain network, not any other. Then we have the Gorilla. It's follow the Ethereum chain network. And we have the Kanda. Again, it's also a test network which follow the multi-chain network, so you can easily able to connect with multi-one. And the next one we have is Interpol. Again, it's a layer 1 blockchain and which allow you to build your application, and it's EVM compatible as well, but it's follow the Cosmos ecosystems, and it's follow the injective chain. So these are the few things you have to know, that how the blockchains are connected with one another and what compatibility with the chain they have. Then we have the Cosmos. Again, it's a layer 1 solution and it's compatible with the Cosmos chain. Then we have the Clara network. Again, it's compatible with 2 different networks like Ethereum and dot. So again, you can able to build your scalable application on this particular one. Then we have the Avalanche. This one is quite popular right now, and a lot of project we have on this. And but it's a layer 1 solution, so you can consider building your dApp. But in terms of scalability, you will have an issue, and it's follow the Binance, it's follow the Avalanche chain. After that, we have this Mutable X. It's again layer 2 solution for running a smart contract in Ethereum and gaming, and it's also follow the Ethereum chain. Then we have Binance. It's a layer 1 solution, quite popular right now. A lot of contract we have, and the price is absolutely amazing. And it's also follow its own chain called BNB chain. So you can consider that for running the smart contract. After that, we have this Nera. It's a layer 1 solution which follow its own chain, Nera chain. They claim to provide the high speed and the low transaction fees when you will do on the blockchains, but I have never used this particular one. Then we have this Metis. It's a layer 2 blockchain solution followed by the Ethereum, which you can consider for building a scalable application. The dot. So this is what we have talked. Like one blockchain can be compatible with multiple one other. So again, it's a layer 1 solution, so you can consider for building that one. Then we have this Scale. It's a side chain which allow you to interact with the multi-chain, so you can consider that, and it's follow the own chain Scale. After that, we have the Genesis chain. So again, it's followed by the same act like a side chain, and you can easily to find the validators and you can interact with the Ethereum. But when it's come to following the chain, it's follow the own chain, Genesis chain. So now we have this Arbitrum Gorilla. So it's a test network which you can use for testing the contract, like in the Arbitrum network. Then we have this Solana DevNode. Again, it's a test network. So if you want to deploy a contract, you can deploy it to the DevNode and you can test it, and then you can simply move to the actual main network of Solana. After that, we have this Sofali. Again, it's follow the Ethereum chain, and it's a test network, and it's follow the proof of stake system. You can make your transaction and you can do the validation process very easily, and it will take less energy. So now we will move to the next one. Then we have this Stardom. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly, and it's follow the blockchain layer 1 system, but it has a multi-chain, so you can consider this in terms of scaling the application. After that, we have KYVE, and again, it's a data available blockchain which follow the multi-chain and Cosmos. So you can consider that if you want to store some of the data on the network. Then we have this Crossbill. It's again a side chain, and it's a decentralized social layer which follow by the multi-chains, which you can consider, but I haven't read about it yet and I haven't explored this particular one. But these networks are in the verified network list. Then we have Cartis. It's a layer 2 blockchain, which means that it will be a scalable solution, and you can able to find the chain which is compatible with like Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, like Genesis chain, multi-chain. So it's compatible with quite a lot. Then we have a Flare network. It's a layer 1 blockchain, but it has a compatibility of multi-chain. So you can consider that in terms of building your application. After that, we have this Eclipse. It's a layer 2 blockchain, and the best part of this is that it also support multi-chain, and I really like those blockchain who has compatible with different blockchains. So that is really good. And when you want to build an application on top of that, it's always increase the chance of scalability of because your user can prefer like different blockchains. Okay, so like it's compatible with the Stacelane, Cosmos, Ethereum, Injective, Nera, Polygon, Solana, and multi-chains. Then we have this Rido. Again, it's a layer 2 blockchain solution, and it has compatible of the Ethereum and Scartnet. Then we have this Canvas Connect. It's a layer 2 blockchain, and it's compatible with the Ethereum chain. So the next one, we have this Fiery. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. It's a layer 1 blockchain. Recently they have received the funding, maybe 6 months ago I read it, and they got an insane amount of funding. So they're working on a multi-chain which allow to build a scalable application. We have this XDC network. Again, it's compatible with 2 things, like you can easily able to do the EBM things, like you can run the smart contracts, and it is multi-chain, so you can consider that as well. But here they have mentioned that it's a hybrid blockchain, so that's the thing you have to keep in mind. After that, we have this XPLA layer 1 blockchains, and it's compatible with this, because these are the popular network we have right now, which you can use for building your dApp and considering including in your project. But I would say that before you deploy your contract and build your business on top of it, try to understand every single thing about that particular blockchain and how exactly it work. So here I would suggest you that first focus on Ethereum. Try to master every single thing we have in the Ethereum. Once you understand everything about Ethereum blockchain, after that move to Polygon, because it's a scalable platform which will allow you to scale your application. So after Ethereum, move to Polygon, then you can check the Solana. After that, you can take this Arbitrum, or you can check the Binance chain, which is also very popular. Most of the contract is also going to the Binance chains, basically the financial one. And you can also consider the like Mumbai testnet. We already know how to use that. So Ethereum, Polygon, and you can also learn about this ZK EVM. It's in the early stage, but you can learn about it. So focus on Ethereum. Focus on Ethereum and Polygon. That will teach you every single thing about the blockchain and the architecture, and how you can build a scalable application, or how you can build a financial application. So that will clear all your doubt. So that's the only thing I want to talk about. I hope you guys have got an idea that what you have to learn. Focus on Ethereum, Polygon, Binance chains like Avalanche, and we have this Arbitrum. So these are the 5 popular network we have at the moment, which you can use it, know about it. So that's the only thing I want to cover in this video. Hope you guys have got an idea that how you have to proceed and learn about the blockchain. If you still have any confusion, any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to help you in that. And if you're new to my channel, hit like and subscribe. That will motivate me a lot to come up with this video and help you and share you the relevant information so you guys can get the benefit. So with that, I'm ending this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.